Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the emulator and locating the card files. First, confirm your Pcsx2 version and game region so saves match. Once done, open the Pcsx2 folder and navigate to the memcards directory to find existing PS2 or MCD files, or create a new one from the Memory Cards Manager. Make sure you enable advanced controls so you can mount or create cards. This step ensures the emulator and game both reference the correct save container before you move. Now you'll transfer the save into the card file the game will see. Open the Memory Card Manager and choose Import if you have a standalone, PS2 save, or Export if moving from an active slot. If your save is in another format, convert it with a recommended conversion tool, then import the converted file. Make sure the save file name and UID are correct for that game region, and confirm the card slot in Pcsx2 matches the card you just modified before launching the game. Finish by mounting the edited memory card into the correct slot and booting the game to test the save. You should see saved files in the in-game load menu. If not, pause and confirm the card is active in slot 1 or slot 2 and the game's region matches the save. If issues persist, verify the save's UID and file name and restore your backup. One quick troubleshooting tip: always keep a backup of memcard files before conversion or editing to recover from corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.